Geographe was started in 1968 by my grandfather. It made its way into mining and resources as an emerging market. It then moved into automation, and we went for a more core product that was related more to wear parts and aftermarket spares. Now the third generation is coming through and taking over the operation of the business. We've probably seen the most amount of change that Geograph's seen in the last 10 to 15 years. Mining downturn was a big wake-up call, I think, for a lot of businesses across Australia. Going through the downturn, to turn the business around, really we had to refocus on what our purpose was and why we were there to service the client and how we were going to add value into the future. For us, we really formed that aftermarket position that provides, I believe, a superior service to the norm.
For our people, and some of them have been with our company for 20 or 30 years, they've seen a huge transformation in how we've expected them to get their job done. So we're in the middle of implementing the S4 Hana cloud system at the moment, and one of the biggest changes we'll see is in the user experience for our staff, but additionally in our staff being able to then go and be in front of customers more often. We want employees to be able to come into work, know exactly what they've got to get done for the day, and have no disruption throughout their day because systems don't integrate or talk to each other, or the data in the system they can't trust. Being in the cloud allows us to be far more agile in that we can access it really anywhere that you've got a browser or a mobile phone.
I think we're going to further evolve our client relationship. I see us becoming far more ingrained in their day-to-day business, making a lot more forward-thinking choices about the reliability of their equipment and really getting the longevity out of their gear. For me, that will directly interpret into more business.